So I got a suggestion to do one of these time-lapse videos of a whole shell refinishing project and decided to go with this one. Hopefully it's coming through. There's quite a bit of detail in here already, so it looks like a really nice piece of rosewood, and thought it'd be a good candidate to try and remove all these nicks, gouges, and lines and see if we can bring out some more of the wood's beauty in there. So let's give it a shot. It looks like 600 was the magic number. Hope that's coming through. I'll do some before and after pictures too, but that's a beautiful piece of wood.